A very warm welcome to everyone. So today let's start our class. So today we will do exercise 4.2 of quadratic equation. So let's start. So question number 1 says find the roots of the quadratic equation by factorization. So first part is x square minus 3x minus 10 equals to 0. So we can start by x square plus 2x minus 5x minus 10 equals to 0. Factorize, we 1 into 10 equals to 10. 2 into 5 equals to 10. So 2 plus 5 we get 3. 2 plus minus 5 we get 3. So we will take this. So by factorize we get x into x plus 2 minus 5x plus 2 equals to 0. So we get 2 x's. So from 1 the answer is x equals to minus 2, and from second we get x equals to 5. So we have two roots, that are x equals to minus 2 and x equals to 5. So next question says 2x square minus 2x square plus x minus 6 equals to 0. So by factorize we get 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 equals to 0. Factorize, we will do 2 into 6 equals to 12. So factors of 12 is 1 into 12, then 3 into 4. So we need 1. So the combination we will take is 4 minus 3 equals to 1. By factorizing and getting its common, we get 2x, x plus 2 minus 3, x plus 2 equals to 0. So we get 2x answers, that is x plus 2 equals to 0. We get x equals to minus 2 and 2x minus 3 equals to 0. We will get 2x equals to 3 and x equals to 3 by 2. So these are two roots of the second part. Next part says root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equals to 0. So for solving this, we have to first solve the root, that is root 2 multiply by 5 by 2. We get 2 into 5 is 10, which is greater than 5 plus 2 equals to 7. We know that 2 has a root of 2 into root 2. This is additional. This is the way to solve the root. So now we have root 2x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 equals to 0. This is the factorization we have completed. We have to take the common. So x root 2x plus 5 plus root 2x plus 5 equals to 0. So from both we can get x equals to minus root 2 first root, and second we get root 2x plus 5 equals to 0, root 2x equals to minus 5, x equals to minus 5 by root 2. These are the two roots of the question. Hope you understand this question. The second part says 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 equals to 0. So we have to first solve the LCM. So 8 equals to 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 equals to 0. By solving we get 2 6 are 18x square minus 8x plus 1 equals to 0. So now factorize, we get 1 into 16 equals to 16, 2 into 6, and then 4 into 4. So 4 minus 4 equals to minus 8. So we need this. So we have to factorize like this. Then we have to take out the common. 4x equals to 4x minus 1 minus 1 equals to 4x minus 1 equals to 0. So 4x minus 1 and 4x minus 1. So we get 4x minus 1 equals to 0, 4x equals to 1, x equals to 1 by 4 for the first root, and same for the second root. In this we will get the same numbers. So for the next part, last part, we have 100x square minus 20x plus 1 equals to 0. So we have to first 100x square minus 10x minus 10x plus 1 equals to 0. 1 into 100, 2 into 50, 10 into 10. 10 minus 10 into minus 10 equals to minus 20. So by factorizing, now we have to take out the common, that is 10x. 10x minus 1 minus 1, 10x minus 1 equals to 0. So we have 10x minus 1 and 10x minus 1 equals to 0. Then we have to take out the roots, that is 10x minus 1 equals to 0 and 10x minus 1 equals to 0. So 10x equal to 1, x equals to 1 by 10. Same goes here, 10x equals to 1, x equals to 1 upon 10. These are the two roots. Hope you are understanding these questions. These are the roots of the quadratic equation by factorization. Next question says John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each. The product of 2 marbles they have now are 324. Find out the number of marbles each of them had in the start with them. So we know that x square minus 45 marbles they have, then is 45x plus 324 are the total number of marbles. So by solving it, getting it factorized, we get x square minus 36x minus 9x plus 324 equals to 0. So this is the factorization, that is 36 minus 9 we get minus 45. So these are the factorization we have taken. So by getting its common, we get x into x minus 36 minus 9x minus 36 equals to 0. So first we have x minus 9 and other we have x minus 36 equals to 0. X minus 9 equals to 0, we have x equals to 9. X minus 36 we have 0. X equals to 36. So John have and Jivanti had 9 marbles. John had 9 marbles and Jivanti have 36 marbles. Hope you understand and like this question. Let's move on to the next one. A cottage industry produces certain number of toys in a day. The cost of the production of each toy was 55 minus the number of the toys produced in a day. On a particular day, the total cost of the production was 750 rupees. Find the number of toys produced in that day. So we know that x square minus 55 are the number of uh, minus number of toys plus the total rupees is 750 equals to 0. So by factorize we get x square minus 30x minus 25x plus 750 equals to 0. So we get this is the factorization we have taken. Next we have to take out the common, and then x into x minus 30 minus 25, that is x minus 30 equals to 0. We have x minus 25 and the other we have x minus 30. So x minus 25 equals to 0, we get x equals to 25, and x minus 30 equals to 0, we get x equals to 30. So number of toys 25 and 30. So this completes the answer. Hope you understand. Hope you understand the questions. So hope you like the video. Stay tuned and subscribe.